Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. This video we're going to talk about a way to make $100,000 on YouTube without making videos component 2. So this is going to be element 2. If you have not watched component 1, make certain to watch that first, then watch this video. The hyperlink might be in description for element 1 in case you're interested, and so ensure to test that out. And also, if you are new to my YouTube channel, if you have not subscribed already, I do not know what are you doing, so ensure to press that subscribe button, because we add every day films on this channel on a way to make cash online, the first-rate techniques obtainable, so you do not want to overlook that out, so ensure to press that subscribe button. Guys, so what are we going to speak about in state-of-the-art video? What's this video approximately? So I have missed this on a way to rank, or a way to develop your YouTube channel. No longer simply rank, however, way to develop your YouTube channel from zero, because I know loads of you men are suffering to get the views if you're starting out, so it is absolutely difficult if you may 0 subscribers. No one is aware of who you're, so it's miles a little bit of a trouble to get first perspectives, free subscribers, and so on. So the second component that you are going to research is a way to promote your YouTube channels. So that is truly important, men. If you have low subscribers, even now I am promoting this channel right here, which you're looking, guys, and not without a doubt with paid advertising and marketing, and doing it for free. So I am going to expose you guys additionally how you may do it, and also how you can take gain of social media, and also electricity of endorse movies. So I understand quite a few you men do not know the strength of advocated movies, so I am going to explain you guys what's going on right there. So that is what's contemporary video going to be approximately. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to press the like button, because that is to inform me what you need to in reality see more films like those, guys. So make positive to press that like button, and also make sure to leave a remark down under. And once more, cash in if you haven't watched element 1, the link is in description. Do not watch component 2 if you have not watched part 1. You won't know what is occurring right now. So man, the first technique that I'm using from day one is commenting on related channels. So this is certainly crucial to get into your first, let's 0 subscribers. So that is my element 1. So the first factor is commenting on related YouTube channels. So I have done these men to show you men the this and movement, so you can see this video is about the way to make cash online, and also this channel that you're looking right now is about how to make cash online. So, and you observed related niche that humans are exciting people that watch this 5.3 million views. People are interested by a way to make cash online, and what you need to do here in commonplace selection, you want to post remarks. As you could see, I have stated interesting video I educate on my YouTube channel, a way to make cash on YouTube, man. Associate advertising, and what I did is simply to expose you men how this works. So here you could see it's miles ranked in first 8 feedback. So this is definitely excessive ranking, and at the day gone by it turned into a rent for, I assume, second or 1/3 or something like that. So what you want to do is you want to compliment the proprietor of the video. You want to tell them that this is exquisite video. This really helps a number of human beings, and also you need to devise yourself like I'm developing similar content to being profitable online, or I am saying earning profits online with the aid of, but in case you're starting out, I would not pass with this niche. I'd go along with any other if you're, let's assume, doing weight loss. So you want to head and search for weight loss videos, and that they or put up your remarks. So the next component that you need to do is you need to log in if you have some other YouTube channels. If you have like 3 or 4 other YouTube channels and you want to move in this video, find your comment and press like button. So when you get few likes, you're going to rank your comment inside the pinnacle. So this is going that will help you men, and that will help you men get some perspectives, get some subscribers due to the fact, as I stated humans which can be watching this channel. Proper here they are interested in the way to make money online, so they may be probably going to test your channel out if they see the comment within the comment selection. So from 5 million human beings, if most effective 5,000 humans click onto your hyperlink simply and join your YouTube channel, you're going to have 5,000 subscribers. So that is how this technique works, and you can do it over and another time. So if you're doing allows, say weight reduction, what you need to do is you need to click on clear out and click on this month. Subsequent thing is you need to go with view count. So right here you could see how you could locate famous videos for your area of interest. So let's assume you want to go together with motivational movies. I'm also going to show you guys that. So right here you may see you will type the videos with maximum views in last month, and that is going to be in which all of the site visitors is coming. So whilst you see videos that it has like say 6 million views in 3 weeks, this is huge amount of people. You may really submit remarks, they may be ranked your feedback and actually get a few perspectives, get some subscribers and more. So this is certainly an outstanding manner to sell your YouTube channel and get first 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers. More subsequent element is rabbit. So this is an exquisite way to get fast tons and heaps of site visitors. So in case you want to study it, it's far. Virtually it's far, it can be difficult. The purpose why is, and here you may see I stated caution. So if you're trying to do affiliate advertising on Reddit or something like which, you're in all likelihood going to get flagged to your video, or hyperlink goes to be removed to your YouTube video. So you need to move without any affiliate advertising and marketing. You just need to share their cool content, and if human beings love your content, they are going to join your YouTube channel, like the videos, and additionally you'll get perspectives. So that is how you will develop your YouTube channel. You may simply monetize your movies with it, since no one is going to say something about it. But in case you're trying to do affiliate advertising and marketing or something like that, you are likely going to get deleted. So make certain now not to unsolicited mail, and make certain not to do whatever like promoting some product or something like that. So just go on Reddit, and if we're doing again, let's say weight loss, just cross here and write weight reduction, and you could see some of the huge groups are going to pop up here. So you're going to join all of these groups proper. Here you can see this one has 348,000 individuals. So while you be part of these groups, you'll proportion your motion pictures and ensure to provide value, because if you do not deliver value, you're likely going to be deleted or something like that. And if you virtually provide cost, you are going to get lots of thumbs up, and your YouTube hyperlink is going to get highly ranked within the top of search engine of Reddit. You're going to get lots of site visitors, genuinely speedy. As soon as on my YouTube channel I have were given 100 perspectives in the future from this technique. So that is absolutely effective way to do it. It is not going to last forever. So if when you get heaps of traffic, subsequent days it might be going to decrease, so you do not need to worry approximately. However, in case you get I've here some 100 subscribers or some 1,000 subscribers, this is going to be a first-rate manner to sell your YouTube channel. Next thing is constantly guys ensuring your films to tell your visitors to press the subscribe button. In order, you may see in my YouTube channel I always ask myself my visitors to subscribe if they are new to my YouTube channel, to make positive to press that subscribe button. That is how you grow your YouTube channel. You don't tell people that if they do not join your YouTube channel, they may be going to overlook your future videos. On occasion they overlook or something like that, so that you need to remind them over and another time to press that subscribe button, man. So this is definitely crucial on YouTube. And the next factor is this is the most important component, guys. So the first mix of first and second method is going to present you, man, some views, and watch time on YouTube is sincerely the king. So what time does mean? So I'm going to explain you, man, right here. So this video that I have uploaded on the way to make 100 income on YouTube. It has 3,000 subscribers and 400 views. So this video might be going to get tons of views inside the destiny. However, that does not be counted. So what I'm speaking approximately with endorse motion pictures and watch time. So right here you may see this video is 18 minutes long. So shall we say if human beings watch 10 minutes of my video, YouTube goes to look that quite a few people are looking for a long time this video, and it's far going to rank this video on this recommended bar. So YouTube already executed that for this video, so I am getting a few advocated views from other human beings movies. So here you notice this video right here, it has 115 perspectives and someday. So if I am getting encouraged on this video and that I pop up in the bar like this inside the right nook, I am going to get lots and tons of traffic from that video. So a variety of human beings are going to click on my video, and that is why the advocated bar is the maximum critical thing on YouTube. So in this YouTube channel I have like 2 million perspectives and approximately eating, I suppose 800,000 perspectives comes from my encouraged. So about how placed my perspectives on this channel comes from this recommended bar. So that is clearly crucial, men, due to the fact recommended bar goes to present you men heaps and heaps of targeted site visitors. So the human beings which can be inquisitive about your video, they're going to look at in the recommended bar, and the only way to do it is to have high watch time. So if human beings, as I said, virtually watch your films, meaning this is going to present YouTube sign that they love your films, and YouTube goes to sell your video, and it's miles going to get you guys heaps and heaps of perspectives. So that is how you develop your YouTube channels, and those are pointers and tricks that I take advantage of to promote my YouTube channels. You could see this channel is that this channel has 46,000 subscribers, and I have carried out these two to promote my YouTube channel and create from 0 to 46,000 in 1 year. So once more, this is like for 460,000 subscribers and weblog subscribers, due to the fact now not human beings are inquisitive about a way to make cash on YouTube, how to make cash online. They may be probably going to be interested in a few vlogs. So if you're watching those type of movies, you are certainly unique, because not quite a few people need to begin organizations. So guys, that could be it for cutting edge video. You find this video beneficial, ensure to press that like button, and additionally, if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button. Also, if you need to, you can take a look at out my YouTube course. I have a YouTube path, the hyperlink will be in description, wherein I train you guys step by step how you can make plenty of money with a small YouTube channel. Thanks men for looking, see you soon, and bye.